Hey guys, this is Zach with the Revolver. I want to show you one thing to avoid when you've got 5 cones stored in it on the go and you've got the lifter ring down and the top on, and by accident the lifter ring comes up with all the empty cones in there. Don't worry, they're fixable. So just open the lid up, lift up the lifter ring, grab your tamping tool in case you need to fix any filters, but mainly just straighten them all out by hand, one at a time. They're gonna be okay. They're still usable. Once you've straightened them out, round them back up, get them nice and ready to go. See, like this guy, we gotta push the filter back in him. Use your tamping tool for a little assistance. Pop that right back in there. Now load them all back in the revolver, lower that lifter ring. And so once they're all back in there, seat them in. And because they got a little crushed, if they're not all the way open, give them a little swirl with the stick. Replace the tool, and it's all good again.